Hello, hello. Today we will try to do a handstand for beginners. If you never tried, this is amazing pose that gives you lots of great things to your mind and body. So before I will describe all the benefits, I want to explain how we're going to do. We're going to do and use the wall. If you have any problems with your wrist or upper body or shoulders or injuries, take it easy, or maybe this is not for you. So we're going to start with down dog position, placing your palms, grounding your palms on the floor, open those fingers wide and put more weight on your palms using the upper arm muscles and shoulders and the core muscle here. So we're not going to use the wrist here. So when you're ready, lift the one leg up on the wall and stay here for a few breaths. Relax your neck and remember always that you need to be able to breathe comfortably so the oxygen flow easily in and out. If you don't feel comfortable, if you're not breathing comfortable, find a comfortable breath before you do anything. So you're going to stay here and now you're going to lift the opposite leg on the wall and take a nice comfortable breath here. Relax your neck fully, breathing comfortably. And when you're ready, you're gonna lift the other leg up on the wall. So both feet on the wall right now. If this is too hard or impossible for you, then just keep practicing one leg on the wall for a few days or weeks, and then you will be ready to keep both feet on the wall. Here, when you're standing, relax your neck fully, breathe. If your feet a little bit higher on the wall, it's easier. When your feet a bit lower toward the floor, it's more challenging. Breathing comfortably. So this pose helps you to relieve stress and anxiety, because when you hold this pose, you're focusing on your posture, so it helps you quickly clear your mind. It's also, studies have shown that practicing handstand can help you lower cortisol levels, which is stress hormone, by increasing blood flow into the brain. So this allows you to reduce anxiety and keep you cool under the pressure. When you're ready with control, you're going to come down on your toes, not the knees, and rest in child pose. So handstand also help you build mental toughness as well as a physical strength of your core, upper body. So it also strengthens your immune system through increasing blood flow through the body. So enjoy, have a fantastic day. Speak soon.